Good day everyone. Today I'll be presenting about multimedia, the power of modern digital communication. This presentation explores how multimedia transforms the way we communicate, learn, and experience the digital world by combining different types of media into one powerful form of communication. In the past, traditional media delivered information only using one format at a time. Books relied on text, radio used audio, and poster depended on images. Because of this, communication was often limited and less engaging. With the rise of multimedia communication involved, multimedia combines text, audio, visual, and motion, allowing multiple senses to work together. This makes information more engaging, clearer, and easier to remember. What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to the integration of multiple forms of media delivered through digital platforms. These include text, which provides written information, audio, such as music and narration, images like photos and graphics animation, which adds motion and storytelling, video, which shows recorded or live visuals, and interactive PT, which allows users to control and engage with the content. When these elements are combined, information becomes more attractive, interactive, and effective. Why multimedia matters? Multimedia is important because it improves understanding. Complex ideas become clearer when visuals and sound work together. It also increases engagement, especially in digital learning and online platforms. Multimedia encourage creativity by presenting ideas in innovative ways. It supports different learning styles, visual, auditory, and interactive learners at the same time. Most importantly, it allows efficient communication in today's fast-paced digital world. In education, multimedia transforms traditional learning into a more engaging experience. Teachers use interactive presentation that combine visuals, audio, and animation to explain lessons clearly. E-learning videos allow students to learn anytime and anywhere. Digital modules provide structures, lessons with interactive elements, while simulation offers hands-on practice in safe virtual environment. Overall, multimedia makes learning more effective and enjoyable. Multimedia is widely used across different industries. In business and marketing, companies use multimedia in advertisement, social media, website, and infographics to promote brands and connect with customers. In entertainment, movies, streaming services, music production, animation, and video games all depend on multimedia technology. In technology and communication, mobile apps, video conferencing, and interactive website improves user experience through integrated media. In real world impact, whose production? It is whose production. Yeah. In real world and production, environments like whose, which stands for wish you success. Multimedia plays an important role. Video documentation helps capture complex assemblies processes. Interactive media explains technical procedures clearly. Multimedia reports present production data in an organized and visual way. Visual guides also improve training and quality control. This example shows how multimedia helps simplify technical work through clear communication. Despite its advantages, multimedia also has challenges. First, technical expertise is required to produce high quality multimedia content. Second, multimedia files are often large, requiring more storage and proper management. Third, some multimedia formats needs fast internet connection and modern devices. Lastly, production costs can be high depending on the tools and resources used. Multimedia plays a major role in digital innovation. It connects people globally by allowing instant communication across distances. Support accessible learning by making education available to more people. It strengthens marketing impact by improving brand communication. And it revolutionizes entertainment by transformation how we experience media in digital ages. In conclusion, multimedia continues to reshape how we communicate, learn, work, and entertain ourselves. By integrating multiple forms of media, it creates richer experience, improved understanding, and makes information more accessible. Multimedia is not about technology. It is about creating meaningful connection between information and people, transformation how we interact with the world around us. Thank you for listening.